find the irreducible set for AB determines C, C determines B, A determines B. Solve it. So what is step 1? It is already in step 1, right? AB determines C, C determines B, A determines B, right? Now step 2 is you have to find out whether AB determines C can able to get in the options of it, right? So what is AB closure? You will get only AB. So AB determines C is required, right? Similarly, in the options of C determines B, can you get C determines B? Can you get? No. So I will get only C. So C determines B also required. In the options of A determines B, can you able to get A determines B? A closure is A, which I can say that A determines B is required, right? This is the step 2. As I cannot able to reduce any other FDs, so I can go with the next process, that is step 3. Step 3, right? So in step 3 we have to identify all the FDs which are having more than one attribute. More than one attribute, right? Now try to take it. So if you are going to remove B, can you able to get it from A? Yes, right? If you are going to find out A closure is AB, which means that A determines C is getting. Okay. Similarly, can you able to do the other one? AB determines C. If I am going to remove A, can you going to get from B plus? B plus is B itself, right? Which means that A is required here. A is required. So means AB determines C. From this, which one is the preferable one? A determines C is the preferable one, right? Now, so can I say that this is the final solution? No. What is step 4 you have to do? Union, right? So union means like you are going to get C determines B, A determines B, A determines C, right? A determines C. But guys, if you are able to observe, the point here is whenever either at step 2 or at the step 3, if any one of the FD you are going to remove, you have to make sure to repeat again the same process of step 2. Okay, now see, observe. So what I will do now, this is the data I got at step 2, sorry, step 3, data I got at the step 3. Now what you have to do, again you have to start it from the step 2. Because why I have started from the step 2? As I am able to remove one of the FD from the set of functional dependencies, so I need to repeat it, right? So find out C closure. C closure is C, so C determines B is required. Find out A closure, A, C, B. A, C, B, which means that A determines B is not required. A determines B is not required. Okay, so find out A closure from the removing one. You are going to get only A, right? Which means A determines C is required. Now you got the data as C determines B, A determines C, right? As you are able to remove one of the functional dependency, again you need to repeat the step 2, right? What is C closure now? C. So which means that it is required. What is A closure? A. So which means that it is required. So this is my step at step 2. Now what is the step 3? You have to find out all the functional dependencies which are there at the LH side, right? Is there any FDs which are at the LH side? No FDs having LHS more than one attribute. More than one attribute, right? Next, what is step 4? You have to get the final solution, right? So that is C determines B, A determines C. That's it. So this is my final irreducible set, which means that if I are able to understood, which means that AB determines C, and C determines B, A determines B from the given question I have written, is it equivalent to A determines C, A determines C, A determines B, C determines B, which is again equivalent to C determines B, A determines C. A determines C, right? Which means that these two are equivalent set of FDs. But what is the minimum one among these three? This is the minimum one, right? So how can we say that our answer is perfectly correct? You can able to check the equivalency between the two independent set of functional dependencies, right? So you can able to take out, you can able to consider this as F and this as G, and try to check whether F is able to cover G and G is able to cover F. Then I can say that these two are equivalent functional dependencies, and also I can say that our results is also correct.